I came by these two beautiful vintage VWs, and we have you are Tom? Kevin, hi, nice to meet you. So hey, look, smells good. Okay, I was drawn by the smell, but
we restored both of them. We got them, and they were just piles of junk.
Yeah.
Repainted them. We redid everything. Aftermarket transmissions. This has a stroker motor in it, which is not the normal motor.
Well, how's that different? Normally they're the opposing boxer.
1600 is the normal standard on the 71. I have a 1904 stroker, which makes it almost a 2.0. Kevin's motor came as a 2.0. His is a 2056, which is built up.
Okay.
What I did was in the 79s, the 71s, they did not, I put an aftermarket top on. On the 71s, this luggage rack was back here, and then this opened up this way, which only allowed you a cot up front. I cut everything out, and I added a 79 pop top, which means I'm able to have two people sleep up top. Okay. And also on the bottom. And also, I added Vanagon seats to mine where I have the swivel. Okay, so I have the Vanagon seats so that I can turn these to turn the other way. So if I'm changing clothes, both seats? Whatever, this and that, both seats. Wow, yeah. Nice. Living area, yeah. So these are 1985 Vanagon seats that I welded into the tracks, everything. Full bed. Okay. Full closet. Okay, I'll go in and from back here. Let me just have a peek inside. So do you sleep on top? Oh, you sleep down there. Okay. This time I sleep on the bottom. Yeah, but you can have two people up there also, yes. Right? So I welded everything in where I put the 1979 pop top in, and you can actually put two people up here with the extra piece. But for here, what we're camping for the weekend, I like sleeping on the bottom because we put everything on top that we're using. Yeah. But here's the full closet over here. Okay, let me come back there. Yeah. So 5 inches of foam. Yep. Everything. The My Pillow, which works awesome. Minus 25 below sleeping bag. Yep, I have a 20 below bag. Yeah. Yep. So here I have all the extra. It's got the coffee pot. It's got the shelf. Everything in here. Shelves on top for all the different accoutrements that you need. Spare tires over here. Very nice. But basically repainted this completely. As I said, dual carb 1904 stroker motor in here. 1904 is what? The cubic cc's or something? Yes. Okay. It normally comes with a 1600, which is 48 horsepower. This has 110 horsepower now with a 1904. Okay. I have the 010 distributor, which makes this even more potent, plus the double carbs, the double 40 Webers on here. Nice. The thing, basically 65 is nothing, 70 is nothing either. So, and then I have a Freeway Flyer transmission, which I can do 70 all day and not worry about the engine overheating. Very nice. So, and then Kevin. What kind of gas mileage do you get, Tom? 17 to 18 per gallon, because we're holding. Not only are we holding the grill, which is 30 pounds, also the coffee maker stove, another bunch of weight. So it's all the extra stuff we have to carry for the weekend. The table, chairs. Yeah, extra weight. Okay. This grill right here. If you come over here and film this, we have pork belly and also bacon going at once. Okay, I'll be back for dinner. Yeah. But this is the great thing right now with this grill. You turn it this way to get it off, to reload that or keep this at a lower temperature. Yeah. And then turn it back on. Yeah, this alone, this and this is 30 pounds. Yeah, so and that goes up top. So how does this, it just clamps on? Is that what it does, or hangs on? Yeah, okay. So what you do is this. Oh yeah, so you just pound this in the ground and then, okay. Up and lower it. Yeah, tighten outdoor. Yeah. Wonderful, you have a controlled oven then. Yeah, that's because that's the big deal with fire, right? You can't control it too well. So then you lower it. You're not newbies, yeah. No, we've been all over the East Coast with our buses, everything. Again, aftermarket tires. BF Goodrich with everything. Okay. We rebuilt the whole suspension. We basically did our buses top to bottom. Kevin built this awesome custom. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. Kevin, come. I like the eyebrows.
Oh yeah, the eyebrow?
Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I stripped out this whole interior and then hand built all this cabinetry. Stained it all. It's all from scratch.
Very nice. Yeah.
Yes, I got storage up top. All kinds of storage to keep all my tools and everything I need under here.
Yep. Yep.
So yeah, I mean, it's got everything I need.
Excellent. Excellent. Very good. Yeah. It's very nice that front. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, they're a lot of fun. They're a little bit of work to keep them on the road, but it's
you can work on
worth
them
it.
though.
It is worth it.
Right? I mean, I have a Subaru. You know, you better have your computer with you if you want to do anything.
Right.
I had a Squareback 72 something VW. I used to gap it with like a matchbook and a point or or a dime.
Yeah, 016.
Yeah.
It's 0.16 is the gap for that. Which
Yeah.
is, but I have electronic ignition in mine, so does Kevin.
Yeah.
So it makes it where you don't have to worry about it.
Yes.
But the only problem is when it fails, it fails. But we have extra distributors underneath just in case something happens.
Yeah, yeah, you know what goes wrong.
So we just throw it in and then we're good to go.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, but yeah, we're completely self-contained. We've been doing this right now for 5 years. Vermont, everywhere. It's just it's in our DNA.
You're not full-timers, you're part-timers, right?
No, we're
yeah, we don't live in them.
Yeah, okay, great. Yeah.
we got God bless America.
Sure, yeah.
Everything, but
Yeah.
know, we have all the extra stuff where it's basically an outdoor kitchen living room where we
Yes.
enjoy ourselves for 4 days and love it. And then when we go up north to New York State and also Vermont, you know, we don't have the fire ring
Yes.
that they have. It's just we build the fire pit, do everything, but it's
Yeah, same
Vermont's
idea,
So
yeah.
beautiful, but
Yeah.
and then chopping the wood is all by hand with a saw and an axe.
Yep.
We go back to the back 40 and get the dead white oak.
Yep.
Bring it here.
Very nice.
Last year we went in February. They
Mm-hmm.
closed everything down, but we were able to camp in the parking lot, which was 3 feet of snow. And then we watched the snowmobilers go in and out. It was minus 14 when we were there.
Yeah.
And no heat in these, so it's we do it hardcore.
How is condensation in the cold?
What's condensation?
You don't have any?
No,
You mean a
because-
frozen beard? 'Cause, yeah.
because I have the insulated foil
Yeah.
panels that I put in before I go to bed, and I have a minus 25 below double sleeping bag with flannel lining,
Yeah.
and on top, and you're sleeping in your skivs, and that's it, and you're super comfortable.
Yeah, so
I get the ice beard. I get the full in the morning.
yeah. Well, because sometimes on the cold surface, you know, the glass of water, cold water, and warm, it'll kind of.
Condensation, sure.
I wonder on metal surfaces, no problem.
But and I have, if you come over here,
Yeah.
I'll show you my. So basically, I have here in my seat. This right here, I have a diesel heater.
Oh,
which comes out here.
Yeah.
I put a battery in here, and then I can run the diesel heater, which the exhaust exit out there, but it's super clean
Dry
air.
heat, yeah, dry heat.
And when we went to Vermont, it was minus 14. Within a half hour, I had it in here of 80 degrees.
Excellent,
And
excellent.
then I could run it all night.
Yeah.
I got nothing to worry about. There's no fumes, no
Yeah. No, I'm
CO2,
familiar
no
with them.
nothing.
Yeah,
But for $169,
yeah.
it was the greatest.
Have you had to maintain it, take it apart and clean it at all? No? Okay, great.
Nothing. All I had to do, and here's the control right here.
Yep.
But I also have it, I have the control hooked up to my main battery, so if I'm driving,
Yeah.
I can turn it on, turn it off with my remote. So if I'm driving, all I gotta do is turn around, click it, this turns on, and then while the dogs are back here, I can keep it 80 degrees in here, turn it off. But when we're camping, I have an auxiliary battery in here, so it doesn't do anything.
You don't
with my
ruin the
starting
house battery. Yeah.
Right, and then next thing you know, I have 80 degrees all night, super comfortable, especially when it's below zero.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. Very nice touch of comfort. No heater for you?
No heater for me.
Yeah.
Kevin's
He's
hardcore.
rugged. He's rugged, the guy. Yeah.
I'm old, Kevin's hardcore, so he, you know, I need those to keep my bones warm.
Well, if he's lucky, he'll get old.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Where's the
one-
dogs?
The dogs, well, unfortunately it's bear season,
Yeah.
and the coyotes are really bad here.
Yeah, I've heard them, yeah.
And we camped last year, it was 0 degrees out with our dogs, but after hearing how the bears and the coyotes are active,